This is Express Sewer and Drain. We're doing a video inspection at 5801 Mendocino Boulevard. We're at the back of the house. We located the two-way ABS T at the back side of the patio. It is a 4-inch. We're going to go ahead and head down the line and go downstream toward the main line. So we have a two-way cast iron bridge. It's got some rust buildup. These do tend to rust out and start catching toilet paper. This one is in okay condition. Right at the bottom, it looks like some kind of a rag or sock sitting in there right off the bat. The house is currently not occupied, so I can understand why it would be dry. So as soon as we get in the line, we have what we call 4-inch Orangeburg. And this particular material is a soft product, and basically what this thing does is it starts to flatten out. Just keep pushing forward here. See a lot of cobwebs coming through. So it looks like the city section right there at the drop. So we hit this vertical drop right here, and we drop directly into the city section. This is the clay pipe. Homeowner's no longer responsible for anything beyond this. And there's the mainline tap. So we're going to go ahead and pull back. It's really hard to kind of see the currently no root intrusions, no major offsets in the line. This is really hard to tell if it's the Orangeburg or ABS. I don't see any ovaling in the pipe. Yeah, this looks more like ABS pipe. So just the usual going on in here, just due to the house sitting. So we're going to come back up to clean out. You got a two-way cast iron, allows you to go both ways. We're going to go back toward the house. Try not to get anything right here. Gotta run a little bit of water inside. There we go. So this, on the way back, is definitely Orangeburg. You can see the texture of the pipe. It's real bumpy. It looks like what happened was when they did the addition on the house, They didn't change out this section. So then it goes to cast iron material, which is part of the original part of the house. And then now we're actually underneath the foundation. So it is cast iron going back toward the house. We're seeing toilet paper sticking in the line because of the heavy rust. So that's what happens when cast iron rusts out. It starts to get these blisters, creating a very coarse surface, and toilet paper takes a while to get through the line, sometimes causing a backup. But we're going to come back out toward the clean out. There's a 90 band. It looks like we hit Orangeburg right there. You can see the product. What it's going to do is it's very rough. Also, it starts to cave in from the bottom, and eventually it collapses. We don't got any root intrusion, so that's, well, there's a small root there on the right wall coming in. What you got to be worried about this material is long term. This material will go bad. It's got a couple boils in at the bottom, one right there on the left wall, right here. You can see how kind of the pipe dips down. Okay, here again, if you look at the top here, you can see how the top of the pipe is basically coming down. Here's a high spot in the bottom left corner. The pipe is starting to lift up, and right there's a bad section altogether. So we got a root on the right wall coming in right there. It's pretty bad, and it looks like it's all rooted here at the bottom here. Also along the right side, there's a heavy blister, big blister right there on the right. Basically got a valley where the water's coming through. Some more root, bad grade in it just because of the material starting to swell up from the bottom. That's the reasoning. And then right there we got a heavy root right here. The whole left side looks like it's already tore open right here. And then we're back out to clean out. All right. So that is the end of the video inspection on the 4-inch line. And we're at 5801 Mendocino Boulevard.